Hi, I'm Dr. Catherine Peet with PCH Chiropractic, and today I want to go in details with you with the protocol that we do with caring people for neck pain. One very important step of the process is the chiropractic adjustment. So have you ever been to a doctor in the past and you're talking to them and you're letting them what's going on with you, and you have a feeling that they're not really truly listening to what you're saying? So at PCH Chiropractic, we are really good listeners. Not only do we want to hear about your history, but we also want to hear how you would like us to care for you. So there are many different ways to adjust the spine, right? The first way that many people are familiar with is by using the hands. So we do a gentle chiropractic adjustment using our hands. That's the first one. The second one that we can use is an instrument, and there's different type of instrument. This is called an activator, so we can use that. There is also another one here called the arthrostem, so that's another one. There's another technique that we use too with very gentle movement called SOT, where we do movement with the neck to restore the movement and the alignment of the bones together. And another one that we use here at PCH Chiropractic is the drop table. So the table does all the work and the patient barely feels a thing. So it's we use the momentum of the movement of the table and it does the adjustment in the neck. So whatever is best for the patient, that's specific to the x-rays that we have taken and to your condition, and also to what you desire and how you would like us to care for you, we will put all that together and get you better.